I am Dave Gardy here in the studios of FOSE and GOVSEC TV in preparation for the January 15th webcast. And with me on the phone is Mr. Ahmet Houssein, who is CEO of Virtensys. Thank you for joining us today, Ahmet.
Thank you.
It's great to have you here, and as a matter of fact, we got some breaking news that just came in off the wire regarding your product. The product VIO 4000 has been selected as finalist in the Storage Magazine's Product of the Year competition. And actually, this is in addition to other recent awards, including the 2009 Product of the Year, Virtualization Product of the Year from Tech World, and the 2009 Best New Technology of the Year at VMworld. Congratulations.
Yeah, we're very, very pleased with these recognitions that we're getting for our innovative product.
And this is of interest to us as webcasters, too. Can you tell us about I/O virtualization technology and how does it benefit data centers?
Well, I/O virtualization addresses the last of the key, what we call the key inefficiencies in the data center. And we target the solutions around how servers and switches and infrastructures are put together in racks and blade servers. Basically, I/O virtualization takes the I/O that are very specific, are dedicated, and are not easy to change, and creates a virtual pool of those I/O resources and allows this I/O resources to be then assigned to specific servers. And the result of this is that all servers now can have access to any I/O type, whether it's Ethernet connectivity, direct attached storage, or fiber channel storage area network connectivity. So the ability to then now have I/O virtualized across all group of servers connected to our product allows the simplification and management of servers. But I think the first dramatic impact most end users sees is immediate impact on the cost. Instead of dedicating hardware equipment for every server, whether you use them 100% of the time or not, can be immediately eliminated by virtualizing those resources. We see on average anywhere between 60 to 70% cost reduction. Once you eliminate hardware, then you start to see some dramatic impact on power consumption. So you can reduce power up to about 60%, and the benefits don't flow from beyond that.
What differentiates your I/O virtualization solutions from other products?
Well, there's a lot of buzz about I/O virtualization. There are some key competitors who are trying to do similar things that we do in terms of taking the standard PCI Express interfaces that exist in servers and utilizing them, connecting them up to use as switches, or in other environments where they use other types of networks to virtualize I/O, like InfiniBand or Ethernet. What makes us different is that we add no cost to your server. In fact, we take away cost from your server. So you don't have to buy expensive InfiniBand switches or adapters. And as for Ethernet, the same applies. You don't have to add equipment to get I/O virtualization. So that's one of the key differentiators of our technology. And on top of that, we also have a very important aspect of our solution is that you can deploy our solution with total transparency of what you use today. So, for example, if you have applications, you have the vendor's drivers loaded into your systems, they remain exactly the same. We're transparent, so you don't have to modify your servers or your network to utilize our technology. That's one of our key differentiators in the market space.
What are your most popular products, and tell us about some of their features?
So we have two initial products that we've announced called VIO 4001. This is what we call a converged Ethernet and storage area network virtualization switch, where we take Ethernet and fiber channel connectivity. We virtualize it across multiple servers and provide that virtualization in groups of 16 servers, and we can scale up to anywhere 64 to 128 servers as we group and combine our switches. This addresses some very key market segments that are growing right now. 10 gig connectivity scalability has become key to a lot of servers as virtualized operating systems like VMware and others are starting to increase the demand for I/O. So we not only simplify 10 gig connectivity, but we enable it at a fraction of the cost.
Now, I understand.
And we have another product that we are introducing very shortly, within the next couple of weeks, available to our partners. It's called VIO 4008. This provides the same as the 4001, but it adds an extra capability around storage. So most servers are today delivered with direct attached storage. These are hard disk drives that are built into servers. But we, with 4008, we can take those storage devices and virtualize them and make them become consolidated, and in the same manner we do Ethernet fiber channel. So the two products address what we believe are key requirements for most of the IT shops today.
I understand that Virtensys formed an end-user IT advisory council. Can you tell us what that council does?
Yeah, let me give you a little background on the IT council. When we first started the company about 2.5 years ago, after we got formed, we were very interested in understanding how people were going to use our product. We also knew that a lot of the times we talk to customers who take our product and distribute it to customers. So we wanted to make sure that all our usability, all our direction of the product features and functions had a good, best way to describe it is good confirmation that that capability was in the right direction. So we formed an IT council across a broad spectrum of segments, as we also knew that our product was applicable to many different environments. And we used this IT council to talk to them about our ideas, our concepts. We also do usability tests with them. They also will take our products and validate them in the sense that they meet the requirements. And so we've had this council running for 2.5 years, and a lot of the what I would call the features and the functions that we've focused on have been driven through this IT council engagement.
Interesting. So now, how can people find out more about Virtensys online?
Well, the first place for us, for you to go get the technology and the insight is, of course, our own website, which is Virtensys.com, so www.virtensys.com. The next one is that we've just announced for FOSE, before FOSE, we announced our engagement for ProMark Technology, who will be our U.S. distributor for this for this product. And they're, of course, available online at www.promarktech.com, and they can be accessed, of course, through various channels. They also will be, they are on the GSA federal schedule, so you'll be able to get the information from them on how to get our products.
Excellent. Well, I appreciate the time you've taken with us today, Mr. Ahmet Houssein, who is CEO of Virtensys. That's Virtensys.com, Virtensys.com. Thank you for joining us. And now we'll return to our January 15th FOSE GOVSEC TV webcast already in progress.